Canyon. And
Ciao!
good morning. Samulo Tishtali, Samdishui, that there is a pasa. Chinda Dubeki, say, I believe 17. Chubdi, that's the West Coast picnic, Vancouver. And that's Sagane, Vancouver, and the Pivegi, even the Dubie, Chuchaka Shagig Sagane. And if you see the Vancouver downtown, you can see the downtown, the skylines, far away. Today's a little bit cloudy kind of stuff. The weather's not very good. In the morning, it's still right now. So probably in the afternoon, might be kind of sunny. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And Canada looks always relaxed, very relaxed compared to LA, New York, the United States. Very spacious, not too many traffic, very less congested, compared to US everywhere. Very, very eco-friendly, all these trees, greeneries. I mean, you name it, right? All right, man. See you there. First day of the West Coast picnic. And samulo pagi J yo ni matangbo ta dari chubdi rwa. Sapasa chida dubegi. And the West Coast ki linga ni matangbo du chali go. In chambi shugi nangos. Ciao. BC and Seattle, first soccer game of the West Coast picnic, July 17th. Alright. 2-1. 2-1, right? So BC. Wow. So BC says score 2 versus 1 Seattle. Alright, so that's the crowd here. West Coast picnic crowds.
No, I'm walking like crazy.
Oh, what? Goalie come from.
Okay. Yo, he told me he would play 10 times better with these shorts. Shad, he got a melody. Don't pass it to my dad. He's gonna embarrass. No, I mean, pass it to him, please. Yeah.
Tennis, forehand, backhand. I play football, cross, header. I play volleyball, set, spike. I play basketball, catch, shoot. I play sport, you play sport. Together.
Good job, Dad. I saw you run. I said I saw you run. I'll come to you.
Ooh, good one. Yeah. Sun is so
You're
hot.
cheering.
Oh, the boat. Not mine. It's like the old boat. I was so badly hurt.
You were so close.
Yeah.
I think the moms are cheering for you.
Over here. I want to shoot it, but it's not clear. What's the shoot? Huh?
You wanna be safe?
1-0.
Who's won? You?
No, 1-2.
Oh. Oh, my foot hurts from my.
Shit, never ending. Good one, good one. Bear with us.
Very yakbutus.
Oh, Namge. Namge sister just did.
At first, I thought the people that I heard were cheering for that, but then I realized they're not playing anymore.
Who?
The kids over there.
2-0. Yeah, we had a good chance here. Yeah, shit.
It's 2-0?
Yeah.
Oh my. How do you feel?
Feel good. See, I'm not in a soccer dress, so it's kind of hard to move.
But once you get the shorts, you say you're gonna do great?
Yeah, I want to fly.
Oh, but you have to run.
Yeah,
You're not running fast.
depending on the ball.
Run like your life depends on it.
Yeah.
And also, oh yeah, Gela told me to tell you that he's leaving. And that
He's
he wishes you all.
Hello, thank you.
Now everyone from LA left.
Yeah.
I said now everyone from LA left.
Yeah. Inda, check. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Keep on your. Very good. Inda. How you guys doing? Samolo tungundang ni ba? Sini dari lingga di yang lagi film shootnya. Ya, Los Angeles di ini lah cuci segi. Cita juga DJ cita dia. Nah dia jadi dedication dia luar aja lah dedication segi. Kemarin ini musik kan saya. Jadi kemarin dedication dia.
레와 고 아니 남았어. 이런 상황 좀 이래 레와요.
Je peux me séquiller qui est là. Elle est sous tout dino. Je crois que tu veux te paquer de tapa con la samba. Accepte ta mana. Round the corner to Belela. Ma tu ne peux me. La yeah, 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 yeah. Bella qui veni ma shauri. Tu ci che giuna. La che giugno. Go a check it, she can be. To if I'm not together, my patrol paper don't be. To the letter, not the me. Forever.
Today we are representing the Tibetan Sunday School of Southern California in LA. I'm going to begin my piano pieces by playing the national anthem of Tibet. Are you ready? And my brother is going to be the vocalist.
Second time with the concert
기 고급한 렉이 고급 충수 원디기 미망 상황 도전을 주의 아니 단가 이슈라 그리
दिया है जो ना फिर भरेगा हर हसीन चेहरे से अब ये दिल डरेगा हमको जान देकर यूं ही मन मिटे थे सुन लो ऐ हसीनो ये हमसे अब न होगा ऐसा जख्म दिया है जो ना फिर भरेगा हर हसीन चेहरे से अब ये दिल डरेगा
Kajima nabu shila. Shila tadina sha. Concentration bari sha. Tade. This is how it looks like West Coast picnic. Dinner place, yeah. Dinner. Oh, it's outside dinner. Very nice.